I've never felt the feeling so right. Never seen a winter so white. Never had words to recite. Never had a place to ignite. This is shaky. This is shaky.
Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm actually doing a very fun and exciting video. This hair you might notice from a previous hair review that I've done. This hair is courtesy of Zury Hollywood and it's in the style Talia. And so I have at this current moment, I think like 27,000 views on this wig right here. You guys have been loving it and I have received so many new loves from this wig. I've received probably the most comments on any of my videos on this wig, and so I thought that it would be fun to just come back on camera and kind of revamp it up a little bit, as well as answer some of you guys' questions on camera. So I know that I've received so many comments, and because I'm pumping out content and you know, just being a mommy, a wife and all that, sometimes it takes me a little bit longer to get back to your comments, but please continue to keep commenting. I am actually responding back as we speak. Well, after this video, I'll be responding back to all the comments, and I just appreciate all the love, all the support that I've just been receiving thus far. With this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and also check out my other video. You guys should have received a bonus video on this look as well, and it'll have all the deets on this lippy that I'm rocking right here. So let's jump right in. So if you haven't already checked out my other video, I strongly suggest that you do. I'll post it right here so you can see what it looks like. So yeah, I love this hair. I've been loved it. I'm just grateful that you guys loved it as well. And so one of the things that I had a concern about in the previous video, it wasn't really a concern, was that this hair right here, it's sticking out and I don't like it. I just feel like I would like it if maybe it was shorter. I just don't like how it lays in the back. So most of my pictures, I kind of hide it some kind of way. Like I'll put it under my shirt like this, move it to the back just so that it can hide. But I thought, why not cut it and then see what kind of look I can go for. I'm not a professional, so let's pray I do not mess this up because I really do love this wig. But I also wanted to answer all of you guys' questions, or as many as I can. So let me go to my YouTube channel and answer some of you guys' questions. So as you can see, this is my video and these are a slew of comments. Yeah, so let me see some questions that people have asked, and maybe you guys might have the same questions. Okay, so Fab Unista said, nice wig, I wish I could have seen the back. So I'm actually going to show you guys the back. My apologies, I thought I had showed the back, but obviously I didn't. So I'm going to show you guys the back before I go chopping stuff up. So here's the back. Okay, so I gave you guys the front, the back, and the side. So hopefully that answers any of your questions if you were interested in buying it and you wanted to know what the back looks like. So another question was from Ebony Painter. It says, okay girl, how did you get it to flip over in the bang area like that? So I just literally pull it back like this, and then it already has a nice layer, and so then I just bring it forward like this. So that's one of the ways that I bring it, flip over the bang area. Another way is just going like this. And that's how I achieve that way. So hopefully that answered the question. What else? You guys are amazing. You guys have been complimenting me so much on this wig. You guys have loved it. I hope that for all the people that did purchase it, that you loved it as much as I did. Somebody said, can you do a video on how you style this wig? So hopefully this video is helping you along the lines of styling. There's not very much styling that I do to this wig. Literally, I plop it on my head. I do these little baby hairs, which are very minimal. I just pick it or brush it to my liking. So if I decide I want a deep bang, then I might go like this. I'll usually put some hair out right here and then stick this behind my ear. And then, like I said, because I'm not a fan too much of the little parts back here, I'll just kind of tuck them a little bit. You know, tuck them like that and get you a new style going. So hopefully that answered that question or that request. Ruby Chu gave me an example, gave me a idea to cut a few inches off, which I was already planning to do. So I just thank you for that comment. These are just amazing. Somebody said, there are not too many channels I subscribe to, but young lady, you are a winner. So thank you for that. I thank you so much for all the new subbies. I see a lot of people are saying they are new subbies, so welcome, welcome, welcome. Coily Love 4B4C said, do you think it'll work if I don't glue it down? Absolutely. You guys, I'm not gluing this down. This is not glued at all. I'm actually wearing a wig grip. I typically, if you check out some of my other videos, you'll see that I always kind of put a wig grip on, because that has been a lifesaver when it comes to holding the wigs in place and not worrying about if they're going to move. Like, look, I am pulling on this and you see that it's not moving. It's not sliding off. It's not sliding back. I have baby hairs. No issue. No muss. No fuss. And I don't worry about, you know, the got to be glue messing up my edges, or, you know, my edges thinning out. They were already starting to thin out a little bit because I started doing the got to be glue. And that's when I was like, no, I need something else, because I cannot lose. I'm already a little edge challenged. So I don't need to be losing any more edges. For all the ones that are saying my hair and makeup look nice, thank you guys. Aisha Coleman said, come through Trap Christmas. That was actually exactly what I was going for, Trap Christmas. So if you guys didn't know, this wig was my holiday video wig. So yeah, that's why she said it's Christmas. Yeah, so I hope that I answered some of the questions you guys might have still had. For the new people, the newbies, hopefully I answered your questions and gave you just a more in-depth view of this wig and just how it is. Just it's amazing, you know. A+, 4 stars, whatever you want to give it. Like, I just love this wig. And apparently 27,000 people, well, they didn't like it, but they viewed it. So obviously the picture was enough for people to come and view it. And so hopefully you guys like it. Again, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm gonna jump right into the styling of this video, and please pray that I don't mess it up. So I'll see you guys in my next video.
So busy, but I've been thinking about what I wanna do with you. I know that my guys have been talking about the way I do what I do. Heard I was good, they wanna see if it's true. You know you're the one I wanna give it to. Can see you want me too. Now it's me and me. I've been waiting, think I wanna make them move. Baby, tell me if you like it. Tell me, yeah. I've been waiting. Think I wanna make them move. Baby, tell me how you like it. I was waiting for you to tell me you were ready. You know what to do if only you would let me. As long as you're cool with it, treat you right. Here is where you wanna be. I know the other guys have been talking about the way I do what I do. Heard I was good, they wanna see if it's true. You know you're the one I wanna give it to. Can see you want me too. And now it's me and me. Baby, I've been waiting. You're gonna make them move. You wanna make it move. Baby, tell me if you like it. Tell me.
it. I swear, relax and let